We're super excited about our latest customer review. We work very hard to meet our clients' every need, so we love hearing 5-star reviews from our valued clients.
Amazing customer service from Annie and the entire team at PurAir Hawaii. They coordinated maintenance at my home even when I was off island for 6 months due to military training. Thank you.
5-star reviews are great, but our goal is to keep earning those reviews. Let us prove to you why we deserve your 5-star review. We appreciate you taking the time to drop in on us today. You can contact us anytime at the number on your screen, and we hope to see you soon.